What if I told you your brain is hiding secrets you were never meant to know? It controls your reality, your fear, even your decisions. But scientists discovered something disturbing. These are 10 shocking facts about the human brain, and the last one will change how you see yourself. Fact 1. Your brain rewrites reality. Your brain does not show you the real world. It builds a version of reality based on limited information. What you see, hear, and feel is only a prediction created by your brain using past experiences, memories, and expectations. Scientists proved that your brain fills gaps automatically, meaning parts of what you perceive may never have actually happened. Even colors are not real. They exist only as signals your brain interprets. In experiments, people confidently remembered events that never occurred, showing how easily the brain can fabricate reality. This means your memories, fears, and even your sense of truth can be manipulated. The disturbing part is that you will never experience the world directly, only the version your brain constructs.
Fact 2. You use your brain even when you sleep. Your brain never truly rests. While your body sleeps, your brain becomes extremely active, sometimes even more than when you are awake. During sleep, it processes emotions, organizes memories, removes unnecessary information, and repairs neural connections. Dreams are not random. They are simulations created by your brain to prepare you for threats and emotional challenges. Scientists discovered that lack of sleep slowly damages the brain, affecting memory, decision-making, and emotional stability. Long-term sleep deprivation can cause hallucinations, paranoia, and even personality changes. Some researchers believe dreams help the brain rehearse survival scenarios, meaning your mind is constantly working, even when you think everything is quiet.
Fact 3. Your brain can feel pain that does not exist. Phantom pain is one of the most disturbing brain phenomena. People who lose a limb often continue to feel intense pain, itching, or pressure in a body part that no longer exists. This happens because the brain still holds a map of the missing limb and continues sending signals as if it were still there. Even more shocking, the brain can create physical pain purely from fear or expectation. In studies, participants experienced real pain when told they were being burned, even when nothing touched them. This proves pain is not only physical, but deeply connected to perception. Your brain can generate suffering without injury, meaning reality and sensation are more fragile than they appear. Fact 4. Your brain deletes memories constantly. Forgetting is not a flaw, it is a survival function. Your brain actively deletes memories every day to prevent overload and maintain mental stability. Scientists discovered that the brain removes weak or unused neural connections in a process called synaptic pruning. Without this process, your mind would become overwhelmed with useless details, making decision-making impossible. However, this also means many of your childhood memories are incomplete or altered. Each time you remember something, your brain slightly rewrites it, changing details without your noticing. Over time, your memories become reconstructions rather than true records. This means your past is not stored perfectly. It is constantly being edited by your brain. Fact 5. Your brain predicts the future. The brain is a prediction machine. It constantly analyzes patterns and anticipates what will happen next to help you survive. When you walk, talk, or react, your brain is already predicting outcomes milliseconds ahead. This is why you can catch objects, understand speech quickly, and react to danger instantly. However, Prediction can also create fear and anxiety. The brain sometimes predicts threats that are not real, triggering stress responses without actual danger. Scientists believe anxiety disorders are linked to overactive prediction systems. In experiments, the brain reacted to expected pain before the stimulus occurred, showing that anticipation alone can activate fear circuits. Your brain is always living slightly in the future, preparing, calculating, and protecting. Fact 6. Your brain can be rewired. Neuroplasticity is the brain's ability to change itself. Every thought, habit, and experience physically reshapes neural connections. This means your brain is never fixed, it is constantly adapting. People who practice skills repeatedly build stronger neural pathways, making actions faster and more automatic. Even after injury, the brain can reorganize itself to recover lost functions. In extreme cases, blind individuals develop enhanced hearing and touch because the brain reallocates unused visual areas. However, negative patterns also rewire the brain. Fear, addiction, and trauma strengthen harmful neural circuits, making them harder to break. Your brain becomes what you repeatedly do, meaning your habits literally shape your mind.
Fact 7. Your brain consumes massive energy. Although it makes up only about 2% of your body weight, your brain consumes around 20% of your total energy. It requires a constant supply of oxygen and glucose to function properly. When oxygen drops even briefly, brain cells begin to die within minutes. This high energy demand explains why mental exhaustion feels physically draining. Intense thinking, stress, and emotional strain all consume significant brain resources. Scientists discovered that during deep focus, certain brain regions increase activity dramatically, burning more energy than muscles during rest. This also explains why sleep is essential. It restores metabolic balance and clears toxic waste from brain tissue. Your brain is one of the most energy-hungry systems in your body.
Fact 8. Fear can override logic. Fear is controlled by a primitive brain structure called the amygdala. When it detects danger, it activates the fight or flight response instantly, often before logical thinking begins. This is why you can react to threats before you consciously understand them. However, this system can misfire. The brain sometimes interprets harmless situations as dangerous, triggering panic, sweating, and rapid heartbeat. Scientists found that fear memories are extremely strong and difficult to erase because they are stored deep in emotional circuits. In extreme stress, logical reasoning weakens while survival instincts dominate. This means your brain can temporarily shut down rational thinking, forcing you to act purely on instinct.
Fact 9. Your brain creates your identity. Your sense of self, your personality, memories, and emotions exists entirely inside your brain. Damage to certain brain areas can dramatically change behavior, preferences, and moral judgment. In famous neurological cases, individuals became completely different people after brain injuries, losing empathy or impulse control. Scientists discovered that identity is not fixed, it is a dynamic pattern of neural activity. Even your mood alters how you perceive yourself and others. Chemicals like dopamine and serotonin influence motivation, happiness, and emotional stability. This means who you are is not permanent, it is constantly shaped by brain activity, experiences, and biology.
Fact 10. Your brain is still a mystery. Despite centuries of research, the human brain remains one of the greatest unsolved mysteries. Scientists still do not fully understand consciousness, how thoughts, awareness, and self-perception arise from neural activity.
The brain contains around 86 billion neurons, forming trillions of connections, creating complexity beyond current technology. Even today, researchers continue discovering unknown brain functions and hidden mechanisms. Some theories suggest consciousness may emerge from synchronized neural patterns, but no definitive explanation exists. The disturbing truth is that the organ you rely on to understand reality is still largely unknown. Your brain studies the universe, yet it does not fully understand itself.
The human brain is powerful, mysterious, and still not fully understood. If these facts surprised you, remember, your mind is more complex than you think. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more dark and fascinating facts. Like the video and share it, and stay curious, because the more you learn, the more you realize how much is still unknown.